Today's dessert is cold, refreshing, and basically made for coffee addicts. So stick around till the end. Then get up and make this creamy drink immediately. Welcome back. Well, only the coffee addicts are actually welcome. Everyone else can still watch and suffer. First, bloom and melt your gelatin. Then throw in the rest of the coffee jelly ingredients. Stir until every last sugar crystal disappears. Unless your dream dessert has the texture of sandpaper. Give your container the tiniest spray of oil. Seriously, don't deep fry it. Pour the mixture in and send it to the freezer. Now let's make the latte jelly. Exactly the same process, except water got fired and milk took its job. Before pouring it over the coffee layer, let it cool down a bit. Otherwise, it'll melt the first layer. Now into the fridge for about 2 hours. Time for the Sago Pearls. Drop them into boiling water and let them cook for about 15 minutes. Once they turn mostly transparent, turn off the heat, cover the pot, and let them finish cooking in peace. Now drain them. Then toss them into ice water and give them a little stir so they stop clinging to each other like they're in a toxic relationship. This is exactly what you're looking for. Last step, the creamy coffee sauce. It's basically an iced coffee. The sweetened condensed milk is totally up to you. Add more if your personality is dessert before dinner. Mix everything well. Then chill it. Warm coffee sauce is not the plot twist we're after. Winky has arrived for the mandatory quality inspection. Nobody hired her. Now cut the jellies into little cubes, just like in the video. This absolutely is my favorite part. If you're as obsessed with coffee as I am, this part is basically therapy. Now layer everything into your serving bowl. Give it a good stir. If you're lucky enough to have a hot sunny day, throw in some ice cubes. Instant happiness upgrade. And it's ready. I tried it with a straw first. It was so fun. You can try this with spoon too. Winky stared at it for a few seconds, carefully considered all her options, and decided she absolutely hates it. See you next time!